Hi, my name is Mitch from Audio Technica, distributing Allen Heath in the UK. I'm here on the Logitech stand at PLASA, looking at the new Allen Heath Q series. It's an update to the 48 kHz Q, now with a new XCBI core for 96 kHz processing. So it has the same processing chip as the SQ series and also the CQ. Updates include the scribble strip, which is now customizable across all layers with 6 characters. You've also got the FX engine of the SQ as well, so if you're familiar with all of that, it will feel very at home. You've also got 4 layers for the faders, so you can get in and customize all of them. And this one is a very special one because it also has Dante enabled on it as well. So you've got 16 channels of Dante, of the 32 available on this mixer in particular. But there is also the Q6 and Q7 in this range, which also has 32 channels as well available to it, where you can connect a stage box, such as the Allen Heath DX168, for example. So the Dante is pre-enabled onto it with a RJ45, so you can purchase it with or without, depending on your requirements. There are also 6 FX engines in total, with 4 with dedicated soft key strips. And then you can also have 12 mixes in total, 9 of which can be stereo. For more information, give the guys at Logitech a call.